Do you want to know how you can log into your Zen Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Zen Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or OS browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Zen Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Zen Money, where you can log in using your username, your OTP, or your Google account. Log in using your username. Go ahead and write down your username in this box. Write down your password in another one. Check your password by clicking on this eye icon and then click login. This way you can log in to your Zen Mutual Fund account using your username. Now if you want to log into OTP, click on OTP, which is right here. So click login with OTP, write down your phone number, click send OTP. An OTP will be sent to your phone. Go ahead and write down the OTP on the screen and then you can log in using your OTP as well. If you want to skip all of this and want to sign in using Google, click sign in with Google. This page will open up. Go ahead and select your Google account. Click continue to sign in to InvestWell, which is powered by Zen. So you can now log into your Zen Mutual Fund account easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.